Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpin here, and this is going to be a locomotive update because I've been busy working on some locomotives, and I also have a new locomotive I wanted to share with you guys. So, one locomotive I have right here is this is not actually a new locomotive. This is actually an old locomotive I had this since like high school, and as you know, the locomotive just didn't run because I just discovered the problem was that the wire connecting the trucks was loose, so I managed to get that fixed, and now it runs really nice. So on one side, so this is an Intermountain BNSF ES44DC number 7640. This is actually one of the older Intermountains I've had, so it's pretty nice. I tested it and it runs very nice now, and I even ran it with some of my Bachmann Heritage units, and it runs pretty good. And so it's a pretty nice locomotive. I was glad I was able to get the locomotive restored and able to run again. So anyways, it's still a nice locomotive. It still had a little bit of damage, like some handrail damage and such, and I noticed the front handrails are missing, so I'll have to maybe get some new handrails for that one and such. So I'm actually really glad to get this running again. So basically this locomotive it's just DC equipped. So basically since with my MRC sound controller you can run on DC mode or DCC mode, and since this is a DC equipped locomotive, but basically meaning has a DC decoder factory installed but has no sound. So anyways, it's a very nice locomotive I got. So anyways, I'll be running this locomotive with some of the NS Heritage units. So one with sound, and another one that's standard DCC. So anyways, so there's that, and then the next locomotive is a surprise. As you can see, it's right here. I actually unboxed it already. So I'll show you guys what it is soon. As you can see, it's a Scale-Trains locomotive, so you're wondering what it is. Let me just get this off, the rubber band. And this is just basically the bill they just gave me. And it also came with this, which is a very cool, I believe this is a sticker or a decal of some sort. So I ordered this from White Rose Hobbies. It's a hobby store located in Pennsylvania. So there's that. It's pretty cool. And you're wondering, and here it is. And this is the locomotive. So it's basically still in the old packaging. It is an ES44 locomotive. So it's a Scale-Trains rivet counter. So you're wondering what it is. Well, you're about to see. Right there. It is a Kansas City Southern ES44AC. This is actually probably one of their last ones they had, and I was very lucky and fortunate to find one of these because I really love the Kansas City Southern, so I was glad to get one of these so I could expand the KCS fleet a little bit. So I'll unbox that for you straight away. And there it is right there. Wow. It is very nice. So, very nice indeed. So, I'll get this out of the box and show you guys. There it is. There it is. Looks really nice. Indeed. Alright guys, so now that I actually got out of the packaging, I'll show you guys a close-up view of it. I won't be doing a review because I did a review on this already, because you can see this locomotive is actually very stunning. Got lots of stuff. You can see it's got the details on it. It has, when I unboxed it, it had a little bit of damage onto the handrails, like on this side. But it didn't really matter. It's just some little bit damage. But anyway, it's got really nice details. It's got see-through grills and all that. All the factory applied details like MU hoses, the windshield wipers and all that. The horns nicely done. It's very nice. And then the bearing caps do rotate when the train's moving. So, anyways, I'll show you guys a close-up view. You look at that. Wow. Very nice. And then there's the... This is just very stunning. I just love this KCS Southern Belle. Wow. Absolutely stunning. Now, this is actually from the first run when Scale Trains first announced it, the ES44s, because back in the first run they did, I know, BNSF, KCS, CSX, in the YN3 scheme, NS with NS, and also CN. So, anyways, I'm actually glad that I was able to find one of the last ones and got this one, because it would be perfect to expand the KCS fleet. Because, you know, KCS locomotives like in Y cabs, like the Gevos, the AC 4400s, or the SD78s, those are getting very hard to find. Because, you know, I've searched everywhere on these, you know, from eBay and all of them, and they're really getting hard to find. But, anyways, I was lucky I was able to get this one. Because, as you know, because I've seen KCS Gevos like almost all the time. Because you'll see Gevos on almost every Class 1 railroad. And there it is. Anyways, very stunning locomotive from Scale Trains. Would definitely recommend it. And also they got a second run coming soon, which I believe are coming out in either in summertime or somewhere in September. If the production's like delayed and such, but anyways, this is very stunning. Really glad I was able to pick one up. So I'll be definitely running these more on some of the KCS trains from like grain trains, manifests, and all that, and it'll be a really nice addition to the layout. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video update on my BNSF 7640 that I've been working on, which is an old locomotive I had since, as you know, since like I believe high school, and this locomotive right here. So, yeah. So, anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.